I just watched the TED Talk Living Beyond Limits by Amy Purdy. This TED Talk is about Amy, who grew up in a hot desert, always dreamed of living independently somewhere cold. The day after she graduated from high school, she moved to Denver, Colorado, and became a massage therapist. It was the first time she ever felt independent and happy and satisfied with her life. One day she went home from work early thinking she had the flu. Less than 24 hours later, she was in the hospital on life support with less than a 2% chance of living. She was in a coma, and it turned out she had bacterial meningitis, which was preventable through vaccine. 2 months later, she went home. She had lost her spleen, her hearing in her left ear, and both legs below the knees. She thought the worst was over until she saw her new legs. She described them as bulky metal blocks. She ended up sleeping the next couple of months with her legs propped up beside her. She finally realized that in order to move forward, she had to let go of the old Amy and embrace the new Amy. She knew she had to start looking at the positives in her life. One positive she found was she didn't have to be 5'5" anymore. She could be as tall or as short as she wanted. Another positive she thought of was her feet would never be cold again when she was snowboarding. 4 months later, she was back on a snowboard, and she knew she could begin on her new journey through life. She co-founded a nonprofit organization that helped kids with disabilities get involved in action sports, and she ended up winning back-to-back gold medals at the World Cup. All of these achievements forced her to believe in the possibilities. She said imagination can be used as a tool to break through borders. Instead of looking at our challenges or our negatives as bad things, we should look at them as blessings or as gifts. These challenges will ignite our imaginations to go further than we thought we could ever go. She ends by challenging us that instead of breaking through our borders, we should push through them using our imaginations. So we should take our challenges and build off of them to go further than we thought we ever could.